about the Dubai food scene. So this is one of these food scenes that I've captured. It's a shawarma. Nicely wrapped, nicely strapped, nicely sliced. Wonderful. This is lamb, sir? This is lamb? This is lamb or chicken?
Normal.
Okay. Oh, all chicken. Thank you. Hello. How are you? So everything is barbecue, right? Something else. Barbecue. Okay. And then you can have a half a chicken or a full chicken. So what's the difference? This is done. This is finished.
This is done. This one not done, this one not done, this one done.
It's done.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What do you call it? Just
Only lemon.
lemon. And chili.
No, salt.
Salt.
Lemon and salt.
That's
Chili.
different. Well, thank you, sir. Yeah, it's been transported straight into Dubai. That's been happening for over centuries, in fact. India was one of the countries that traded with most of West Asia. And here we go. The Dubai food scene on a Tuesday. Marvelous. It's got a nice little kebab shawarma shop, plus tea going on. Real chai. Real chai, huh? Real chai. There you go. Half a yard this time. The food scene is that it's in every corner. Every corner. A bit of shawarma, a bit of samosa, onion bhaji, this and the other, a little as they go along. Just as it's in Mumbai, transported to Dubai here. Wonderful gentleman explained to me, lokma is made from flour and then sweet.
Pure paste. Sweet, yes.
Sweet. Oh, you can add different sweets.
Honey, chocolate, and strawberry also.
Wonderful. There we are. The gentleman's
give
give
crispy and good taste.
crispy and the gentleman is actually giving me a little taste of what it is. Lokma.
This on our plate, 25 gram full plate.
Ooh, it's beautiful.